this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life. Welcome back to my channel. This is the amazing new products for Close to My Heart. Now, the new catalog looks like this. Ooh, look how gorgeous this is. Tons of new stuff, tons. And they're doing something different. So now, instead of having an annual catalog and then having smaller little expressions throughout the year, they now put all of the annual catalog and their expressions into one. So this is now good from September through December of 2018. So all the products that I'm going to show you here, these products right here are good until December. Some of these here will be good past. These are the new colors that we get that they did for the inks. And let's dive right on it. So I'm going to start with the kit. So everybody knows that they have the workshop kits. So this particular one, I wanted to show you guys something. So in the catalog, they have, I bought the first one. So they're coming out with something new. So it's called Boutique. That's the one I'm going to show you. And they have a deluxe set to where that if you purchase to make the deluxe layouts, you need both of this kit and this. So they come together. And as a deluxe bundle, you save 10%. So if you're wanting both of these, you're good to go. Okay? So there's the stuff. So that's just a little tidbit. So they're doing a couple of different new things. If you're wanting more information about Close to My Heart, just leave comments down below and I'll answer them right away because I always do. So let's dive right into the workshop. So first and foremost, the cool thing about the workshops, they are starting to do that they have been doing now for a little while, but will be doing going forward, is giving you these layouts. So before, I would have had to print these off for you, but now they're giving it to you. So it tells you literally what projects and what size photos you need, okay? And then they tell you as well as an example here. You get this piece of paper out and you cut it. And then it tells you the number that you need and all of it's in here. Then, like to do project one, here's project one. And this is how you set it up. It's pretty awesome. So they give you this. So not only is this is the regular classic version, they also, here is the deluxe version. Now remember, if you're wanting all of this stuff together, like all of this, you need to make sure that you follow what's in the book, okay? And then the other thing is, as a border, as we all like to mat our photos, they give you this, the 4x6. Oh, let me see if it'll focus in. So it's a 4x6 and you place the photo there and then it gives you the border. And it tells you exactly it. So they automatically give you the border. So that's pretty awesome. Where before they never did that. So that's amazing. I love it. Obviously we get some twine in this one. So everybody knows twine, right? Good to go. So here are some puffy stickers. Now, this is the first time that they've had puffy stickers, and I'm in love with them. So let me get them pulled out here. Look how... Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. And it's pretty puffy, too. And I've already sneak peeked these in. Here are all of the stickers and embellishments. So in the book, this page looked like washi, and it's not. It's like a thicker, it's a sticker, but it looks like washi. But it's really cool. I like this. These are like the border strips, but they're a sticker. Now these are stickers, which they're really gorgeous. Very simple. Like to me, this reminds me of Felicity Jane. So here are some cutouts that are chipboards. I didn't even realize that this was chipboard until I got it. But look how thin this is. Let's see if yep, it'll focus in. Look how thin this is. So you can get the chipboard effect without it being like thick. That is amazing. I love it. And there's tons of different ones. And you get two. Like here are your sayings. I absolutely love it. So that is the compliments. You can get this by itself if you'd like, or you can get it together. All of this stuff you can order separately, and it shows you in the catalog as well. Okay, and now, lo and behold, let's go into the papers. Obviously, we get the cardstock. So there's your cardstock. Look how gorgeous that teal color is, that deeper teal. So there's our cardstock. Okay. Now, you get 2 pages of both of these. So here is page number 1. Page number 2. Page number 3. Page number 4. Check out. And what I really like is that these are really sweet sentiments, like hello, sweet friend, thank you, take heart, dare to be different, celebrate life, XOXO, all across that. I love that. And here is the next page. See it? Okay, now, the cool part about this is that, first of all, these are all, like, portrait size. And then on the back side, you look at it and they make it the other way. So, depending on how you want to roll with it, it's set up the exact same way. So, and you get 2 of those. Okay, so that is the kit, obviously, for the workshop. Now, obviously, you know that they all come with, or they all come separately with stamp sets. And so I got the stamp set. Look how stunning that is. Look how little petite these are. And they're like double stamped ones. And then they've got like a wash here. And it says grow through what you go through. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. It is stunning. Okay. And this goes with the kit I just showed you. And then the last but not least, so I just got one of the stamp sets for Stamp of the Month. Now, Stamp of the Month, you get 1 stamp per month, and you can order it 2 different ways. The first way is you can pay $18.95 and get it in, but you can only get it into the month. So the one I'm going to show you is for September, and it's only good for September 2018. And then the other way you can do it is that you order through me for $50 or more, and you get the stamp for $5. So either which way you want to roll with it. So here is the stamp. Look how gorgeous is this. No tricks, just treats. Look at this. You've got a little cup, and you can put little cream or steam, all of that stuff. Warm winter wishes. Thankful for sweet friends like you. Absolutely stunning. So that's the Stamp of the Month for September, and September only, okay? Last but not least, I'm going to go over the 10 new colors that they came out with for ink pads. Now, look at. Oops, sorry about that. But they're all magnetic. Like, they stand up. And they're like, they stick together. Like, here. There. I'm not even holding it. And it goes together. So they're magnetic. That's cool. So here are the 10 new colors. And I'm going to go, it's hard to get them across. So I'm going to go through them, okay? So here's Sage. And the number's right there. So if you wanted to, like, still shot or whatever. That's Sage. Here's Peach. Mint, Clover, Ballerina, Candy Apple. I want to show you something with this. I just got to get it. Give me a second. These two match perfectly. They may not show perfectly here, but they match perfectly. So if you're wanting to like mix and match between your Distress Oxides, if you have any of these from Tim Holtz, and this one for sure, they match. Like, it's perfect. So there's the Candy Apple. Lilac. Nectarine. Carolina. And Bluebird. So those are the 10 new ones. Those are right there. I will flip them this way so you can see them, all of the colors. Okay, last but not least, our color of the year. Now this is good in the ink pad, the pigment pad, and also paper. And it's called Sugarplum. Look how gorgeous that color is. I just absolutely love it. And this is the color of the year. It's the color of the year for them. So that is all of the newer product that I have as of right now. Obviously, I'll have everything linked down below. Still shots are coming up with my website, my cell phone number if you're in the United States, if you want to give me a call or text me. My email address is on there. All of that stuff is going to be linked there, along with my Facebook group and all of that kind of stuff. And I hope that you will have some scrappiness in you as you go forward. And if you want to learn more, let me know. Otherwise, you have a scrappy day. Bye.